Welcome and greetings, beautiful beings. Thank you for coming into this space of self love, self reflection, and self knowing. I invite you to listen to these affirmations with an open heart. Feel the words traveling through your mind. Imagine the feelings each word represents and hold that close to your heart space. Repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud several times a day and truly begin to believe that you are an amazing being. You are here for a reason and you were created in the light of a divine source. Ashe, let's begin. I believe in myself wholeheartedly. I am a reflection of a divine being that lives through me and all of my past and present descendants. I am enough. I am the stardust that brings illuminating light to all things. I am enough. I am the embodiment of strength and power. I am enough. I take time to understand who I am. I know I am worthy of a joyous life filled with glorious abundance and plentiful fruit. I am enough. I am everything my ancestors dreamed of. My spirit lives on, elevating at every moment. I am enough. I shake off whatever it is that is holding me back. I am capable of all things. I stand with conviction and courage. I dare to dream big. I no longer hide behind the mask. I am enough. My vulnerability and differences are my superpowers. I was not made like anyone else walking this earth. I am enough. I walk through the shadows of darkness because I am the light. I am enough. I have nothing to prove to anyone. I am enough. I am here, therefore I am. I was made from the sweetest kiss of love. I am enough. I love myself more and more each day. I love the skin I am in. I define what beauty looks like. I am enough. My impact is substantial. I have so much to give. As I learn my story, I learn who I am. I welcome people who appreciate my wholeness. I have mystical and supernatural powers that can change the world. When I am comfortable with myself, I treat others better. I am here for a reason. I am enough. I live with unlimited resources and guidance. My body and mind are transcendent. I am enough. I am now choosing to believe my insightful wisdom. I am anointed and blessed. I am enough. I validate my greatness. I am trusting my internal process. I am devoted to loving on me always. I have a newfound passion for life. I am light and I am enough. I was made in celestial light. Positive self-talk is necessary and a part of my daily routine. I am enough. I deserve to be loved infinitely. I radiate beams of love to myself and everyone in my energy field. I receive love from within. Love opens up my life to endless possibilities and pleasures. I am enough. I love all parts of my majestic being to the fullest. I love who I am, who I desire to be, and who I am destined to be. I am extraordinary. I am enough. My skin glows in the darkness. My self-love overflows like a blissful sea of magic. I am accepting my flaws. They are my beauty marks to heaven. I am enough. When I love me, everyone else around me loves me. I sit on my sacred throne of divine love. I love myself more than I ever thought possible. I was made by the hands of a supreme light. I am enough. I prioritize my well-being. My body is a sacred temple and I am taking good care of it. Love is possible. Love is kind. Love is freedom. I am enough. You are enough. You are everything. You are light. You are divine. You are special. You are here. And I am grateful. Thank you for affirming greatness. Thank you for affirming high frequencies over your life. And so it is.